Unpredicted failures due to wear means lost production and reduced productivity. PDS Wear gives you the critical information you need to dramatically reduce such events.
Developed for conveyors in the mining industry, PDS Wear was designed to analyse belt cover wear and highlight product, operational and environmental influences that have negative effects on conveyor belt life. PDS Wear replaces multiple individual spreadsheets and manual reports with a single, simplified digital management platform. It provides a collaborative tool for technicians to conduct thickness surveys and engage with planners and engineers to predict belt life, plan scheduled belt replacements, and assist in better belt grade selection and accurate capital planning. PDS Wear is being used for conveyor belt wear across multiple sites and companies within the coal and iron ore industry in Australia. The software tracks over $250 million worth of belt stock with one miner alone. PDS Wear has also been adopted for the management of wear data on both fixed and mobile plant assets from pipe spools, apron feeder pans, screen panels, transfer chute liners and haul truck trays.
If you need to accurately predict end of life of components and reduce associated downtime, you need to get PDS Wear working for you.